It's me, Hooper. Can you guess where I am today?
Where is he going? What will he do? Where in the world is Hooper?
Clue number 1 is there are big trucks here, but it's not a fire station. What's another good hint? I know. You have to wear one of these. People are building stuff here, so you need to wear a hard hat to stay safe. Now here's the third clue from Curious George. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Hey, that's a great clue. This place is usually really noisy. So I'm at a place where there are big trucks, where you have to wear a hard hat, and there's lots of noise. Can you guess where I am? Yes, a construction site.